Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be drawing a candy corn mummy. Okay, so what you need, friends, is a regular white piece of paper. So the first thing is that you want to draw the shape of the candy corn. You do this by drawing an upside down V, but as you get to the top you want to curve it just a little bit. Good job. And I kind of like to move my paper to the side like this. What we need to do next is to draw a line, but we want it to kind of curve out a little bit and move down.
So it's kind of like a wide U, like that.
I like that. That's good, Lexi. Okay. So about halfway down, draw a big circle like this. Perfect.
And then right there, you draw another one.
On the top of the circle, inside of it, draw another circle.
And then a little circle at the bottom.
Correct. And repeat on the other eye. The big circle on the top and a little one in the bottom.
And then we're going to color it in, but not the like the white circles.
Now I think when you draw a mouth, what do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you going to draw?
Probably do it like scary, or like he's screaming.
Okay. So we'll draw an oval right in between the eyes.
And then
And
we'll
below
color it in.
Now we need to draw the mummy wrap. So you start over here on the left side and draw a diagonal line, and it can be curved, it doesn't need to be completely straight, down to the bottom right corner, and then draw the same line right next to it.
And then we're doing another one like this, and then we're imagining it going behind that, so then we end here.
Just like that.
And then we draw another line like that.
Perfect. And then let's do one on the top of the head. Perfect. And again, draw a line that matches.
And then we're going to do, oops, I forgot for it to go behind the line.
It's okay. I think it'll still look good.
Yeah.
And then let's draw one more going the opposite direction over here. And I think we need to pretend like one of these lines is it's coming out and the wrap is.
Yeah.
So you draw a line out, and then when you get to the bottom, kind of draw an M shape, a zigzag, and then back up.
Yeah, kind of like a huge just like it right here is just very long.
Yeah, perfect. To draw little lines.
Yeah, so it kind of makes it look like it's wrinkly.
Kind of coming in. And anytime it goes underneath another line, draw a line coming out of it, just like that. That looks great, Lexi. Okay, so next up, we need to,
Grab our yellow marker or color pencils, whatever.
and about a third of the way up, we're going to draw a line and curve it a little bit.
Kind of like right there.
And fill everything in besides the mummy wrap below that yellow line.
And then next we're going to want to grab our orange.
Just color around the eyes.
And then now we're going to want to pull out our gray, and then we would want to color where the lines are.
So you just want to add a little shadow as it curves around the candy corn.
that.
Just on the edges, just color a little bit of gray in. And where it goes underneath, you're kind of creating shadows on the mummy wrap.
Yeah. And now we're done with our candy corn mummy.
It looks good. I like how yours turned out.
Same.
Now remember, art takes.
Practice.
See you next time.